Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hungry Local Adventurer, and it's a beautiful Sunday morning, and I'm on top of my terrace. This is such a lovely place to be at, where you can see the sunrise and exercise at the same time. There are days when I am not in the mood to exercise, so I have a very good alternative, that is dance. Dance is also considered as one of the best cardio workouts, and it instantly cheers up my mood. So if you're not in the mood to exercise, just put on your favorite music and start grooving on the beats. If you are someone who gets bored to exercise at home, you can come out of your apartment and use the space around your building, like the stairs, to do some basic exercises. Good morning, guys. Welcome to this quarantine vlog. It's a beautiful Sunday morning and we did a very good workout today. The days when I start my day early in the morning with a good workout are the best days of my life. And I think each one of us should take some energy from the early morning sun. It gives me a lot of positive energy. And well, what's up, guys? How's been this quarantine time? A lot of people cooking these days, taking out time for fitness. I think it's not about being productive. I think it's about doing the best of this time, working for yourself, working for your mental health, working towards self-care, giving a lot of love and attention to yourself, guys. A lot of us are eating homemade food right now, so your immune system is getting better, your body is getting in shape. But with this, if you exercise, you have to exercise at least 30 to 45 minutes every day. You are already having a good diet, you just need to exercise. So when these things come together, you are going to be in a very good shape. And when your body feels good from inside, you elevate that towards the other people around you. You are positive, you are in a good mental state, your body feels good, your energy levels are high. Give yourself 100%, only then you will be able to give 50% to the other people around you. It's been 2 months that I'm working from home now, and it's been crazy. Like, I can almost do 80% of my job from home. It's quarantine time. I know it's not been easy, and there are a lot of problems going on in this world. Initially, I was a bit depressed and sad. Whenever I would watch news, there's so much going on in the country and it's really sad. But during this time, there's also a possibility that your mental health can also be affected. Your energy levels can also go down because there's so much sadness all around you. So in this time, it's very important for you to figure out how can you keep yourself happy, so that you give out that positive energy to other people around you and make them feel good as well. So on that note, guys, I'm going to be sharing this quarantine routine. Well, I'm a working professional and I have my job from 9 to 5, so I don't get enough time for myself, but I eagerly wait for my weekends and I want to do so much on my weekends. So I'm sure that's been with most of you who are working from home, and I'm really grateful that in this point of time I have a job and I can provide for my family. For someone like me, I like to start my day early in the morning because I think that I get a lot of time during the day to do a lot of other things that I'm interested in, and I love to sleep on time. Like, I cannot awake after 10:30 p.m. There are times when I do feel lazy and I don't want to work out, I don't want to get up early. Do you think you've been sleeping too much these days just because you have enough time? Well guys, you just need 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and nowadays because of quarantine a lot of people are staying home, so I don't hear those traffic noises in the morning and I really get a very good sleep. I'm sure you will get 7 to 8 hours of good sleep during this time. Well, a lot of you have a lot of time right now and this is going to be the best time to learn a new skill. So cheers to that guys, and when you are learning something, don't learn it just for a few months, but you need to think about it, that how are you going to leverage this skill after the lockdown ends, after the coronavirus ends. So that's my brother and he just woke up right now. Walking to start your car and go at least for about 3 kilometers. Start your car and get the engine running and enjoy your drive. After a quick drive, we came back home and here's my cat Siri, who loves enjoying sunbath in the balcony. He's such a cute soul, guys. My mom is a plant lover and thanks to all her efforts we have these lovely roses, and we also have tomatoes and green chilies. Let me show you a few of the green chilies. Ta-da! I like to water these plants. So guys, we are back home now and I'll have my breakfast and take bath. So now it's time to prepare our first morning tea. And yes, I am a chai lover and I absolutely love my first cup of morning tea. Okay, so आज breakfast में बन रहा है मसाला डोसा, and this is one of those breakfast dishes which I find very easy, nutritious and delicious at the same time. And your girl has kind of cracked the art of making a perfect dosa. What do you guys think? Guys, the authentic South Indian breakfast is ready. Now while I have my breakfast, I love to binge watch YouTube. Like, that's my favorite thing to do. I like to watch daily vlogs of some of my favorite YouTube vloggers. Also, I like to watch things that are trending on YouTube at that point of time. Now this is the unboxing video of the latest iPhone SE. एक अच्छा साउथ इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट खाने के बाद आपको स्काउट से उठने का मन ही नहीं करेगा. So you just sit there and play your favorite game. FIFA is one of my favorite PS games and I play it with my elder sibling. Today we gave a bath to Siri. Well, वैसे तो cats को रोज़ नहलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but I like to do it once in a while. और ये देखो मेरा भाई भूत बन के बैठा है, तो इसने लगाया है अपना चारकोल फेस मास्क. चलो अब एक बात तो क्लियर है कि घर के कामों से कोई भी बच्चे बच नहीं सकते, स्पेशली लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. From banana bread to chocolate chip cookies, people across the world have been baking up a storm during the lockdown. And what's better than World Baking Day to make your cake and have it too? So, go on and bake magic happen.
We are going to bake today. Thank you so much, Alexa. And as usual, we waited, but Alexa did not respond.
कोई तो टाइप कर रहा है।
राकेश, what are you doing? Okay, तो लूडो का कोड भेज दिया है एंड सब लोग लूडो खेलने के लिए रेडी है।
खेल रही है। लूडो किंग, आई एम द किंग गाइस।
अरे यार इसको बढ़ाने का नहीं था यार, इसको बढ़ाने का पीछे
मैं उसे पीछे रखा है, जैसे बाहर निकल टाटा प्यार का ये नाटा। अपन घर जाते भाई, अच्छा साहब सबकी फील्डिंग लगाएंगे भाई, किसको नहीं छोड़ेंगे।
दो बार मुझे बच्चा है, दो बच्चे हैं, दो बार तुम ये कहता।
किसने देखा भी नहीं, इन्होंने कुछ बोला नहीं।
तुझे पता नहीं था?
नहीं, मैं सेकंड टाइम पे देखा था, लेकिन मुझे सेव करने का था। अगर इसको 6 आया तो सिक्योरिटी को
सुपर 4 सुपर
निकलना पड़ेगा। कितना सेव करेगा भाई? इसको 4 नहीं आना है। आ गया 4। चारों बाहर था और सारा एक ही बार में।
Hey guys, what's up? It's 3:30 p.m. right now and I've had my lunch. I've got 1 hour of good nap. So for me, since I get up early in the morning, my energy kind of slumps down in the middle of the day. That is mostly after having lunch. So I feel quite energetic after taking a power nap. And your power nap should be of 90 minutes. Should not be less than that. Afternoon is a time where I think most of your important works are done and you can kind of relax now. So this is the time where you can actually indulge in self-care. If you want to read a book, you can read a book. If you want to watch movies, you can watch movies. Afternoon is kind of me time and I can do whatever I want in this time. सुबह हम बहुत जल्दी में होते हैं और हमें बहुत सारा काम होता है. Now I'm going to indulge in some self-care which I love to do. So I'm going to show you the Instagram post that I posted several years back. We are going to use the exact same ingredients in this face mask that we're going to put today. It's totally natural, guys, out of all the ingredients that you can easily get in your kitchen. And I've been using this face mask since 5 years and I use it at least twice a week. Okay guys, so the face mask is ready and it's quite thick in consistency. And we're going to apply this face mask. So basically, if you want to use a cotton or something, but I think that is going to be more messy. So it's better you use your hands. So make sure before you apply the face mask, wash your hands properly. So let's get started. So I can't see myself, guys. So
I'm sorry, I cannot see myself. I'm just going to apply it evenly.
make sure you cover all the possible areas.
So curd is very good for skin, guys. It moisturizes your skin and it also stops aging. Your skin becomes more tight.
I cannot see the mirror, but I think I'm doing a good job.
Still 5 साल से लगा रही हूँ तो अब तक तो आदत हो ही गया होगा. Okay.
So I'm looking at the mirror, guys, and not into the camera.
Good job.
Applying a face mask is like a painting. What do you think?
Okay, and I think we are pretty much done.
A very good tip is that you also apply it on your neck. You cover almost all of your face. I have taken bath and I don't want to be so messy, so I'm not going to do it right now. But when you apply it, make sure you apply it before you take bath and cover your entire neck area as well. Very, very important. Okay, so now we are going to wait for 20 to 25 minutes and then we can rinse off the face mask with cold water. So while you apply this face mask, I'm going to tell you what can you do. Let's see.
Okay guys, so now it's been 25 minutes and you can see it has dried quite well. First, make sure you tie your hair into a bun so that it doesn't irritate you when you wash your face. And I'm going to use the running tap water. So let's take this off. अगर आपने इस वीडियो को ध्यान से देखा होगा तो एलेक्सा ने हमसे एक बात कही थी कि आज है वर्ल्ड बेकिंग डे एंड लेट्स बेक अ केक. वी स्टार्ट बेकिंग. द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू वॉश आवर हैंड्स प्रॉपर्ली. To my kitchen guys, so we've pretty much organized everything. Okay, so throughout the video I'm going to refer to this recipe. The first step is that you have to add cocoa powder and butter and microwave it. So first we're taking the Hershey's cocoa powder. I've taken a small bowl of cocoa powder. So the next step is to add butter. So I have taken a good amount of butter here and I'm just going to add these pieces. I think these are about 7 to 8 teaspoons of butter. I'm going to microwave this for 2 minutes. दो मिनट की ज़रूरत नहीं है because you don't want the chocolate to burn. So I think this is pretty much done and now we just whisk it properly. As you whisk it more and more, you'll see the color of the chocolate getting darker. Okay, let's look at the next step. Add sugar. So we are going to take this big bowl of sugar. So you have to take a good judgment here. आपका जितना बैटर है उस बैटर के हिसाब से आपको शुगर लेना है. And this is powdered form of sugar. मैंने इसे खुद घर में पाउडर किया है. I've put it into a mixer and powdered the sugar. Now we have to give it a good mix. So आपको जैसे दिख रहा है बैटर थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो गया है. So we are going to take room temperature milk and mix it with the batter. But don't add too much of milk because you don't want the batter to be very watery. Okay, so now that's good. I like the consistency. Let's give it a proper whisk, guys. Okay, moving on with the recipe. You can add eggs, but it's optional. Now the next step is to add baking powder. So there are two things. One is baking powder and baking soda. Baking powder and baking soda. We're going to use baking powder first. So, baking powder. So you have to take 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 quarter of baking soda. Now the next step is to add vanilla essence. So I have this vanilla essence from Flying Bird and I'm going to add 3 drops of vanilla essence. Okay, so now let's add the remaining milk to make the batter smooth. Moving on with the recipe, guys, we have to add flour. So I'm using maida and I have added little bit of Milkmaid. Milkmaid is absolutely optional. I've just added a little bit of it. As you can see, the batter is not smooth, so I'm going to add some more milk to it and a bit of salt. I love the consistency, guys. Whisking is the most important part, guys. Give it all your energy. Use both your hands to whisk your batter. I have a tip for you here. If you don't want to whisk it this way, you can directly put all of this batter into a mixer and it will also do a very good job. Woo! Look at that consistency. So the most difficult part is done, guys. Now it's time to grease the pan. So I have taken a chunk of butter, a good amount of butter, and I'm going to cover all the sides of the pan. So this is an aluminium mold and we are going to grease it properly, each and every side. You can also use ghee. Before we add the batter into the mold, I'm going to grease it with walnut and cashew powder so that the cake doesn't stick on the bottom and comes out easily. So guys, I am baking the cake in this convection oven. So in a convection oven, we have to preheat it in convection mode and the microwave will automatically give a beep. So let's set it in convection mode, 180 degrees. So for convection mode, we use this grill which is used for baking. Okay, so let's preheat the oven. Convection mode, let's start. Another important tip is to tap your batter properly so that there are no air bubbles and it's all set properly. Now let's keep the cake inside. Okay. 40 minutes. Start. While the cake is baking peacefully, I can't control my excitement and I keep checking on it several times. And as we can see, the cake is finally rising up. Now that is a good sign. So guys, we kept it for 30 minutes and we are going to check if the cake is baked properly. So let's see. Make sure you're wearing hand gloves because it's really hot inside. Now to check if the cake is baked properly, you will take a knife and put it inside. There's no stickiness and the cake is perfectly done. So guys, the chocolate cake is ready and I'm going to shift this into this plate. Before we take the cake out of the mold, make sure you scrape the edges properly so that there is no stickiness and the cake will come out quite easily. As I showed you before, we added a grease of walnut and cashew powder and which helps the cake to come off quite easily. And successfully done. So let's cut the cake and see how soft is it.
Very soft.
Just see, it's clearly come out really well, and the cake was perfectly baked. It was moist and soft, just the way you like your cake to be. So that was my quarantine vlog, guys. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. I've uploaded few of my travel vlogs on this channel. I hope you all like it, and till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you soon.